Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we have a new video with Debbie, and for today she has created this amazing Lion Queen makeup. So if you want to know how she has created this look, please keep watching because I will show you step by step in the coming video. So before starting to apply the Lion Queen makeup, Debbie quickly did her right eye because that side of her face will be a beauty side. The other side, which she is now making brown, is the lion side. So as you can see, there are some sketch lines on her skin that is for her as a guideline of where the lion colors should go. So this is a brown makeup. This one is by Superstar. It is light brown, and with that Debbie creates the brown that is needed for our Lion Queen. So once the basic brown is on there, here is a black powder to create some depth in this makeup, to create the shadows, and it's very easy to create nice shadows that blend very well over the water-based face paint. So just take your time to create those little shadows, and once they are on there we continue with a darker brown color. This is Ebony by Diamond Effects, and Debbie uses this to create a bit more depth in the makeup. So once all those brown shades are on the skin, it's time for white. The white is by Superstar to create the typical lion eye width. Using a detailed brush makes it easier to create a hair-like effect on the skin. So just don't press too much on your brush and flick it upward. You will get those nice clean lines to create the fur with. Also a bit of white under the eye to create more of that lion shape. The dark brown is also used on the nose and to create a bit extra fur width along the eye. Dark brown under the eye as well. And still creating all those little stripes for the fur. So it is important in which direction you put those little stripes because they need to look very organic. Fur along the mouth as well, and a bit of brown eyeshadow powder to shape the face a bit more. Onto white. This one is once again by Superstar to create the mouth area of the lion with. So make sure that the lines are very clean on the outside, and with the same brown powder Debbie is creating the illusion of the whiskers of the cat. And the white for the chin as well. So black face paint, this one is by Diamond Effects to create the lion's nose width. A few dark brown lines on the white just to create the illusion of hair being on there as well. And finally the dark brown shadow along the side of the face as well, so where the lion face stops and the beauty part of the face begins, to just make it more prominent than it was just a few seconds ago. So as you can see, if you put all those shadows on there, it looks absolutely amazing. So a few black and white stripes for the whiskers and just some extra hair. A fan brush can help to create fur a bit quicker than just all those individual stripes Debbie was just putting on her face. And as this is on the cheek, this technique works fine. So this is some glitter glue to put some glitter on her skin with. And there will be glitter on the eyebrow, but also some glitter whiskers. Time to finish off the beauty part of the face. So Debbie is putting some pink on the eyebrow and a few highlights on the face part of her makeup. And finally, here is a black eyeliner to make very sharp lines with. And as you can see, those clean black lines really finish our Lion Queen makeup. And with that, the Queen is done. Then we put on a wig and some accessories, but that is the Lion Queen. Well, we hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel in the link below to stay tuned on all our videos. For now, we wish you a wonderful day and I hope to see you back next time.